Is this my real voice? Is this just parody? Are you dissatisfied? No escape from mediocrity. Openly criticize. Look me up on YouTube and see. I'm just a weird boy. I need no consistency because I'm going to put on a show. Little fast, little slow. Anyway, I create videos. It's all that really matters to me. To me. Comedy just killed my chance. Lost my place in the song as the music continues on. And now I'm singing all wrong. Comedy. This was supposed to be fun. Now I've gone and lost my mind. Comedy. Didn't mean to be so serious. If I don't create a video again tomorrow, it's not gone, it's not gone, as it's all that really matters. Too late. This song is done. Sitting in my chair, I should be filming all the time. I'll try, everybody. I must create. Gotta create something new and leave this up to fate. Comedy. I need you by my side. Sometimes wish I'd been smarter after all. I see a little child inside the man needing a push, needing a push. Will you do the damn video? Camera rolls and lightning, very, very bad timing. Me, big ego, big ego, big ego, big ego, big ego, big ego, me amigo. I'm just a weird boy, nobody watches me. He's just a weird boy, creating a fictional family. Separate him from this community. Easily done, no one knows. Will you watch my video? This will not. No, we will not watch a video. We will not watch a video. We will not watch a video. We'll not watch a video. Never watch a video. No, no. Oh, comedy of this video. All the shit, the spark I took from inside of me. In me, from me. Oh, you think you can broke me and dislike me and click on buy? So you think you broke me when you made me cry? Oh, nobody. Can't you see that you're nobody? Just gotta create, just gotta wipe away these tears. Oh, doesn't matter, as anyone can see. Bullies don't matter. No, it really doesn't matter to me. That is what this video shows.